Going on, guys? This is our video idea which bypasses large video file sizes. It's a Python project you can do for beginner and advanced alike. Just read this here. I have an idea. Takes my letter sensing concept. Takes my letter sensing concept, graphics. I recorded a while loop before. The video file was huge. I think it was because there was fast and abundant data being displayed on screen rapidly. Now I was wondering if we could take my graphics idea and make it so it's just fast moving colors on screen. Since it's all this graphics, we could just make a fast same movement over and over again. The while loop was saying prayers over and over again and counted it as though the data was completely different in each instance, hogging all the room. We could store the video file with this in mind, fast colors only, and it could be like an algorithm / key. We could replicate the video contents with our key, which is just a key containing the color, movements, and other small file size things it contains. Meaning it doesn't need, the video contains. Meaning it doesn't need to be the actual full file like our mini encoder. It uses the key to get the full picture even though the key itself is smaller in size. The moving color combo from beginning to end is much smaller in file size. Just graphics and color only. Yes, that's what. Read all of this here. Pause and read. Pause and read. Pause and read, guys. It takes into account that it's just graphics. The letters on the screen are just graphics. So they're no different than the letters in a video. And they can be sensed, and it's just graphics. There's no different than the letters in a video. It's just graphics. Since we could just read the movement combo from the video, beginning of the video to the end of the video, the color movement combo, the full color movements. Since it's just color movements only, since that's what graphics are made out of, the file size should come out to be very small. Take a look, pause and copy the code. This is a framework. It's meant to be developed, improved, upgraded, modified. Pause and copy the code. Study the code. There we go. Let's demonstrate it. Watch this magic happen on screen. Data overhead savings means how much space you saved. Look how it looks. It looks nice and clear. Press S to compress it. Using our trick that I explained. Savings 99%. 0.999%. Press L to loop that. And look how it looks. It looks exactly the same. High definition. Clear audio data, clear video streams. Savings on 99% of the video file size. Insane savings. Using our idea. This is a Python project you can do. Beginner and advanced. Video project. Python programming. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.